Hey guys, this is Lawton Chiles. I'm going to be talking about how to use response dynamics to reach people who need to have a problem solved by you. Because if you can solve the problem in a way that either lessens the pain that the person's in or eliminates the pain that the person's in, you win. The better and the clearer you can say, hey, I know what you're going through and I know what your problems are. I have a solution to those problems. Usually people buy things to avoid pain or to get out of pain. So many people are focused on tactical stuff like, well, which funnel or which emails or which campaigns. It's not about that. Those things can definitely help you. But really, it's about what is the problem that you're solving? And can you describe that problem enough that your audience can't help but say, that's what I'm feeling. That's what I'm going through. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.